Coolbird, I see you. You're so pretty today. Look at you. You're looking right at me. Go ahead. You can eat, Missy. Oh, your eyes are so pretty. You know that? Oh, wait. Oh, my stupid phone. You can eat. There you go. Oh, you're a cute girl. She's so pretty. She keeps looking up, like taking a bite, look it up. Taking a bite, look it up. I just want to watch you eat. I'm sorry. Like, okay. You're gonna, oh! There goes another cool bird. Huh. Oh, that's Blue. Hey, Blue. There's a big old Blue there. Big old Blue. Why did you knock her off? Huh, Blue? Hi. Hi, Miss Blue. They're both cool birds. Where did Miss Golden Girl go? Hi, Blue. Why are you always being grumpy? Running people off and shit.